Today I have installed the Batman Arkham Asylum. When I tried to launch the game, I got this general protection fault. To fix this, you need to check my video description for this NVIDIA PhysX system software. Download now. Select the download option. Once download done, select the folder icon and double click on the system software and install. Once this install done, go to this PC, C drive, program files x86, NVIDIA Corporation, Physics, Common. Copy all these files. And then navigate to game folder and open binaries. Paste the files we copied. Now you can start the game. Select the play option. And as you can see, the game opens up without having any problem. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.